This is a bracelet sticker. This is a cylindrical accessory. You can also choose any color. There are 10 colors in it. Then the beads are silver and gold beads. There is also a pendant. This tag is 18K, real gold plated. There's an English word on it that is made with love. It means handicrafts made with love. Made with love. If you don't put this bracelet on when you wear it, that's what we might look like. It is more plain. If we use this bracelet to stick deep, be a very caring person. If there's a very different bracelet like cartoon and anime, we give gifts to our friends, including the child making some of these DIY bracelets and bracelets for his own children. Or we ask the children to make some bracelets for our elders. It's all very meaningful. Do this through this bracelet sticker. How to make a DIY unique bracelet. First, you cut it with scissors. You can also use a carving pen, knife pen. This is a carving pen. You can buy it online. Let's make an analogy. Use that carving pen. Let the pattern follow the film. What if the pattern doesn't follow the film? You've got to push it back, put your finger on it. And this happens the other way around. Turn it upside down and give it directly, which is correct. This way, it is correct to turn it upside down. Then normally if we wear DIY bracelet. In fact, 5 beads of this cylinder are basically enough. If you think your wrist is bigger, then add another one. When posting, basically both ends, we want to keep it evenly in the mid between. Then don't go out at both ends. In the middle. Then we slowly pack it like this. Give the bag over. After the package is packed, don't seal it up yet. Don't seal it up here. If it is sealed, are you afraid of sticking to the pattern on the other side? Then we can just wrap the other side first, because this is transferred after pressing this film in the pattern. After pressing, tear off the film. We need to press the pattern. It is because he transferred it. Then what about this transfer? It's actually bumpy. Then when it is torn in half, let's seal this place again. Seal this place again. After sealing it, then we continue to tear off the film. Tear off the film. If you find that the sticker is crooked, then you can fix it by hand. Is it because you have already come out? If the sticker is crooked, we can fix it by hand. You can cut off its extra edges. A feature of this bracelet sticker, the advantage is make a very plain bead cartoon. There is such a soul. Then after we move up, then what if the pattern is hollowed out? We're actually touching it. Each of these patterns is hollowed out. It's slightly three-dimensional, waterproof, and sunscreen, and it won't fall off if you leave it outdoors. It's still relatively firm. So we're here to make 5 for you. Let's use scissors to cut a pattern we like, right? No need for a sharpener. We can also use scissors. Scissors may be a little faster than a carving pen. Knife pen, that is, you have to be careful. The middle bag is over. In fact, it can cultivate children's hands-on ability. You can also make this gift very meaningful. After all, you gave DIY to your elders. Give it to your friends. It's all very meaningful. Don't seal it here first. We first compress it with this pattern. Don't seal it here yet. Leave a hole. After pressing it tightly, it's all compressed here. Leave a little bit, leave the tail unsealed. Then give it this transfer membrane. The transfer membrane is torn off, and then the pattern is transferred to the bead. Wow, it's very beautiful. And then here, and then we seal it up. Wrap the rest on it again. Wrap it up like this. Then the pattern continues to press it. Press it tightly like this. Let it be transferred. And then transfer the membrane. The membrane was torn off. Dum dum. Looks how beautiful. What about this bead? From his vertical beads, it becomes a bead with this kind of soul and pattern. Have some meaning for you. Some of your messages, you can give it to anyone you want who deserves it. Well, 5 beads have passed through here. Then let's wear it with 5 beads into a bracelet. DIY's bracelets. It looks much better than this vertical one. The elastic line is about 50 centimeters. And then this elastic thread, it's a longer one than we are wearing it normally. If you think one is worn, it will be thinner. We can fold it up. Specifically, there are also many tutorials on the internet for wearing bracelets, and it includes how to tie knots. I'm afraid of the other end when I wear it. If it is dropped, here's a pen in the middle, so it doesn't fall over here. 3 beads between knots. The tag is also hung up. The head comes through this empty place. One head goes through how to tie a knot without wearing double strands on one head. There are online videos. Then go around and hit again. Go around and hit again. It feels firm, and then you cut it off. Don't cut it too short. Leave a little bit out. Pull and tighten. Hide the knot in this one. Hide it inside like this. Okay, how about this? The bracelet is ready. DIY's bracelet, and then this is a string of vertical bracelets made before. No hands. The chain is pasted. That's why it's more beautiful to stick it with a bracelet, because there are a lot of patterns on it, right? What about our bracelet stickers? Our bracelet sticker is that it has a 3-dimensional bump. It's very textured. The colors are brighter, then it is firmer. As long as you don't scrape with a knife on purpose, it actually doesn't fade for years. What about the rest? For example, we can put away the remaining accessories. You can use it next time, right? All our elastic threads or accessories can be bought online. For example, like the rest of the sticker. What about our bracelet stickers? You can post it in many places. As long as it is a hard plane or a curved surface, it can be pasted like plastic, acrylic, glass, flat wood. Stones are fine. For example, a charger like this, right? Very pale like this. It doesn't have this kind of cartoon or pattern feeling. Then this is our bracelet sticker. Then our bracelet sticker is concave and convex, 3-dimensional. The colors are brighter. It's also pretty solid after transferring it, right? Okay, make it more soulful. Let's have one like this, right? Squeeze it down, and then you rip it off at one end. What if the pattern is not transferred? We can press it back and tear it again. It's beautiful, right? Then you see we can do a lot with this charger. And we stick it in the middle, then flatten it. These two are beautiful, right? This is our bracelet sticker. Touch it. Concave, convex, 3-dimensional. It's very bumpy, scratch proof. You're not like a self-adhesive. It has a wide edge of paper. It's not hollowed out. If the pattern is hollowed out, it's actually hollowed out. Very, very beautiful. It's really beautiful.